laundry day is coming up soon. And you know how I feel about that bucket. I don't feel like doing laundry in the bucket this time. Can we get a washer and dryer today?
Sure. Okay. What time do you want us to do the laundry?
Well, it depends on if we find the washer and dryer. So if we get an early start, find it, come back, and then we can do it.
All right.
Yay. Yeah, because that bucket's just not for me. It takes too much time.
Well, I've been doing it almost my lifetime, so.
You're used to it.
I'm used to it.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so let's get ready so we can get out of here and go find one. Hey guys, checking in today from Accra. Today we are going to go try and find a washer and dryer. I am not washing my hands or washing my clothes, excuse me, by hand this time. So we're gonna go see if we can find a washer and dryer. We will not be visiting your typical appliance store. We're actually going to check with some of the vendors that are along the sides of the road and see what we can find that we are able to use here at home. So I'll give you a peek and let you see what that is like, and hopefully we get lucky and find something that we can use here at the house. All right guys, thanks for stopping by for this quick video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Peace. Okay, we're now back home and have it set up in the actual spot that we wanted. But the problem we've run into is that we have to have an outlet installed. So we're gonna have to find a way to get around that today in the meantime. All right guys, for tonight, and it is dark now, we're gonna have to make do with what we have. So we're actually going to pull it out from the wall and just go from there and go ahead and do our laundry for tonight.